Hello, today we are going to study chemical thermodynamics chapter. So we will first see what is thermodynamic means or what basically comes under introductory part. Okay, so for introduction, we must know what is energy. We have studied this from 9th standard, 9th, 10th, 11th. So we have studied different types of energies, the definitions of energies. So we will just revise this thing first. So basically energy is nothing but ability to do work, as we know, ability to do work. Next, there are different types of energies. We have seen in earlier standards, which is heat energy, then chemical energy, then mechanical energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, etc. So there are different types of energies as well. Now, why this information is helpful in this particular topic? Yes, there is heat energy, which is very much of importance for this particular topic. Okay, now we will see what actually thermodynamic means. Here you can see two different words combined together, which is thermo and dynamics. Okay. Now, thermo means heat, as we all know, that is, thermo is related to heat, and dynamics is related to motion. Dynamics is nothing but motion. So, which means that we are going to study motions of heat in this particular chapter. So, as I said earlier, heat energy is of very importance in this particular chapter. So, we are going to study motions of heat in this chapter. Also, we can say we are going to study transfers of energies, transfers of heat energies in the chapter, or we can say the physical as well as chemical changes in this particular chapter. So a physical change of a system, chemical change of a system, motion of heat of a system, that everything we are going to study in this particular chapter. Now, before understanding what actual chemical thermodynamics is, we have understood what heat and motion related to each other, that is there is thermodynamics. Then what is chemical thermodynamics? If it is concerned with a chemical reaction or a chemical reaction scenario, then we can say that the motions of heat regarding to that chemical reaction is nothing but chemical thermodynamics. Okay, then the next very important part is terms used in this particular chapter. So there are three main important terminologies which are used in this chapter. First is universe, second is system, and third is surroundings. Okay, so we will say it one by one. First, we will see, suppose your mom has cooked delicious biryani food. I know everybody likes biryani. So I have taken example of biryani here. And your mom tells you to taste this biryani. Then what you will do? Will you end up taking this whole container for testing? No. You will take a spoonful of from it and you will taste. Okay. Which means that the whole part or the whole thing is, we can say, bulk or universe, from which you have taken something for investigation. So the part of bulk or the part of universe under investigation is we call system. And then what is surrounding? System plus surrounding all together forms bulk or the universe, which means the spoon, the container, the air outside the container comes under surrounding. So basically, system plus surrounding, you can say universe. So we have all the definitions with us. Universe, that is the bulk, whole part. System is what? Some part of the universe or some part of the bulk which is under investigation. This is system. This is the part which is very interested to us. And surrounding, which is system plus surrounding, all together called as universe. And surrounding is nothing but outside the system. Part outside the system is nothing but surrounding. So we have studied three different terms which are very much helpful in this particular chapter. Okay. So we are going to use this. And as I said just now, system is of very much importance in this particular chapter. We are going to focus on system. For us, system is the most important thing.